Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 10, Polynomials, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If the sum of all the factors of the polynomial 5x square minus 3 plus k into x plus 7 is 0, then the factors of the polynomial 2x square minus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus 30 are, it means one polynomial is given, the sum of the factors is given, and we are required to find the other one. Here, if the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then the sum of the roots is always minus b upon a. So in our case, let's see. So b in our case is minus 3 plus k, right? And a is 5. So sum of the roots will be minus b, means plus 3 plus k upon 5. But what is given? The sum of the roots is 0. Therefore 3 plus k upon 5 equals to 0. Okay. Therefore solve this, you will get k equals to minus 3. Now what we do? Put this k in the second equation, second expression. That is 2x square minus 2 into k minus 3 plus 11 into x plus 30. Now it's simple then. The roots, here the expression becomes 2x square minus 2 into minus 3 plus 11 into x plus 30. Solve this, you will get 2x square plus 60 minus 16x plus 30. Now take 2 common, it becomes 2 into x square minus 8x plus 15. Then what are we required to do? To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.